What is, in Czech?
Co je?
Synapse Lingo Quick Lesson. Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your daily spark for language superpowers. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Hey you, ready for a dose of curious Czech? Today you and I master the question, what is, in Czech?
Co je?
Eyebrows up, curiosity on. Your goal today. Keep it simple and powerful, ask clearly, learn quickly. Goal. Confidently ask, what is, anytime you meet a mystery. Say.
Co je?
When you do not understand, ask.
Co je?
Pointing at a sign, whisper.
Co je?
Before a lecture, wonder with friends.
Co je?
Sound and rhythm. Tune your ears and your voice, it's music time. Let the intonation rise on both words.
Co je?
2 gentle steps up. Rhyme it.
Co je?
Oh yeah, what is it? Say it. Add the gesture. Tilt your head, raise eyebrows, open your palms, and say.
Co je?
Laugh break. A quick smile makes words stick faster. A cow named Ko meets the letter J and says.
Co je?
They both shrug. Your turn, shrug and say it. Neon sign exaggeration. Imagine a skyscraper flashing.
Co je?
Across the night sky. Big questions, big glow. Mini dialogues. Listen in, then copy the lines out loud. A. I found this odd device. B.
Co je?
A. Maybe a timer? B. Ask the technician.
Co je?
In a museum, you point at a strange tool and ask.
Co je?
The guide smiles and explains. On a starship console, the translator flashes.
Co je?
And the robot shrugs dramatically. Drill time. Short, sharp, and effective. Repeat with me. Repeat 3 times with me.
Co je? Co je? Co je?
You spot a new icon on your phone. Say.
Co je?
You see a statue on Charles Bridge. Ask.
Co je?
You open a mystery box. Fog rises. Whisper.
Co je?
Culture tip. A tiny insight makes your Czech sound natural. In everyday Czech, you will also hear.
Co je to?
Literally, what is that? Both are natural when pointing at something. Compare.
Co je?
Means, what is.
Kdo je?
Means, who is.
Kde je?
Means, where is. False friend alert.
Je.
Here means, is in Czech, it is not French, je, meaning, I. Quiz time. You got this, answer out loud. Multiple choice. Which is Czech for, what is? A. What is? B.
Co je?
C.
Kde je?
D.
Kdo je?
Answer. B.
Co je?
True or false?
Co je?
Means, what is. Answer. True. Listening Czech. You hear.
Co je?
It means, what is. Odd one out.
Co je? Kdo je? Kde je? Děkuji.
Answer.
Děkuji.
It means, thank you. Memory hacks. Make the phrase unforgettable. Mnemonic. So yeah, sounds like.
Co je?
Remember it for, what is. Loci tip. Put a sticky note on your front door that reads.
Co je?
Ask it every time you enter. Role model mode. Be the detective, tap the clue and say.
Co je?
Before every big reveal. Speed challenge. Fast recall builds real fluency. Quick. In 5 seconds, say in Czech, what is. Answer.
Co je?
Now ask 3 real objects around you the same question, out loud.
Co je?
Wrap up. Strong finish, keep the momentum. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep asking brave questions, practice
Co je?
today, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content.